All right, guys, question number 3. All right, we're going to find the solution to the system of equations algebraically. All right, if it says find the solutions or if it says solve, that means the same thing. We want to find the x and y values where these cross. So the first thing I'm going to do is set them equal to each other. I would put the quadratic one on the left. So I'm going to take this x squared plus 5x plus 6, and I'm going to make that equal to negative x plus 1. All right, then I got to get it to equal 0. So I need to take these two terms on the right and bring them over to the left. So I'm going to do the opposite. The opposite of plus x, minus x is plus x. Remember, there's really a 1 in front of that x. And then the opposite of plus 1 is minus 1. X minus x is 0, or negative x plus x is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So on the right side, we're going to get 0. On the left side, we're going to bring down the x squared. We're going to combine 5x and 1x. That's 6x. We're going to combine 6 minus 1 is 5. All right? Now we're on to the third step. We're going to try to factor. We need factors of 5 that add to 6. Well, think about our factors of 5. We got 1 and 5, and we got 2 and 6. All right? These are the ones that are going to add to 6. So I'm going to go down x and x. Remember, bring down the plus. Put the bigger one first. I'm going to put the 5 first. They have to add, so these have to be the same. So this has got to be plus. All right, and there's my factors. Now remember, my solutions are going to have the opposite sign. So x is going to equal negative 5. And x is going to equal negative 1. And again, if you were not comfortable doing that, you go back to here, you plug in your equation, x squared plus 6x plus 5. Go to the graph, find your zeros. If you look, it's crossing at negative 1 and negative 2, 3, 4, negative 5. All right, we're almost there. We have the x values. Now we got to get the y values. So now I'm going to plug it in. I'm going to use the first equations because that's going to be easier. X equals negative x plus 1. So x is going to equal negative 5 plus 1, which is going to be positive 5 plus 1, which is going to be 6. So that's my first solution. Negative 5, 6. I'm going to write it over here. All right. Then I'm going to plug it in again into one of the equations. I'm going to put this negative 1 in. Keep in mind that it's a negative x, and x is negative 1. So it's negative 1 plus 1. Negative 1 is plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. All right? And that's my second solution. Negative 1, 2. All right? And there it is. Why don't you guys try the next two? All right? And I'm going to post the solutions. All right? Talk to you soon. All right, the rest of the week, we're going to do practice solving algebraically. So if you're a little confused, not to worry. We're going to practice this all week.